Hello, this is Gowtham. I am from West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in Vigyan University, Guntur, in the specialization of EEE. During my graduation, fourth year itself, I got few opportunities in both the software and hardware side. But my aim is different into central government job. But after my graduation only, I came to reality what the competition is. So I decided to get into software side, so that's why I joined NxtWave. After joining NxtWave, however, it is very well structured program. The course wise or cheat sheet wise, the explanation wise, everything is fine. However, few languages are easy for me because I had basic programming language in BTech itself. But when coming to like OOPs concept and JavaScript, I felt very difficult. I never came across such technologies. But what I did is, instead of being stressed, I took some break and focused on JavaScript and OOPs concept for few days and revised it continuously until I was good at these concepts. I didn't go further, such that I could have managed the further technologies also very easily. In that way, I worked and finally succeeded. When my course was completed, it's almost decision time. The people who already placed are getting relieved from the companies. So it's a very tough situation. Even though NxtWave provided a lot of placements for me, after few companies I got placed. I think NxtWave helped me a lot. They continuously motivated, don't worry, we will support. Even for the doubts as well, even I got any doubt, they responded very quickly. Placement side also, they helped me a lot. Even they treated very well. Instead of it's being a virtual program also, I never felt that. I always felt like offline program. So in that way, I will thankful to NxtWave.